Hi, I'm gonna show you how to include SFML library in CLion. In empty project, I need to switch tab from main CPP to CMake list. Now I need to include fetch content, so I need to type include fetch content. The next step is to say if our library should be shared. So set build shared libs, and in my case it will be off. Now I need to declare from which site our library will be downloaded. So fetch content declare SFML git repository, and here is the space where I need to put the website address. So I copy this link and paste here. At the end I need to type .git. Now I need to say which version of Git I want to use. So git tag 2.5.1. This is the version I'm gonna using. Now I need to make available our library. So fetch content, make available. Here I need to type SFML. And the last thing is to target link libraries, our project name, and SFML graphics. That's it. Now what I have to do is to rebuild my CMake project. So I need to hit this button. As you can see on the bottom, our CMake project is loading. Okay, now is the time to check if everything is working fine. So I need this example, copy and paste over here. Now it's time to compile our code. Okay, here's some error. I know why. Because I don't have any image, so I don't need this, any fonts and any music. One more time. Huh? Okay, here and here and this one too. What else? What else? Okay. As you can see, our window is showing, so everything is working fine. So from this moment you can use your SFML library. Thanks for watching. Bye.